So in this video, I will show you the best way to add drop shadow to your picture in CapCut. So if you want to add drop shadow to picture on CapCut, after you open the CapCut, now insert the picture. So after you add your picture to your timeline like this, so now select the picture. After you select the picture, go to this video, remove BG, and then click on this auto remove. So now the background of the picture has been removed. So now if you want to add the drop shadow, check on this stroke. So in this stroke, there is different option for the drop shadow. So the first one, if you select the first one, so it will give you this, as you can see now, as a drop shadow for your picture. But if you don't want this one, you can go ahead and select this solid. So if you select the solid, so if you scroll to down under the solid like this, you can click on this color to change the color of the drop shadow. So let's say I want to use red. After you select the color, you can increase the size or you can decrease the size. So you can decrease the size like this. Here you can go ahead now and change the opacity like this. So if you change the opacity, as you can see now you get shadow for your picture. But if you don't want this one, you want the drop shadow to be at a certain site. Let's say you want the drop shadow to be in the site or the site of your picture. All you have to do is just go to this offset stroke. So as you can see now, here is the drop shadow at this side of the picture. So if you scroll to down, so you can change the color if you want. So after you select the color, so if you want to just like adjust it to be in this site, just go ahead and select this one like this. As you can see now, you can adjust the size of the drop shadow like this. So if you don't want, if you want, you can just go ahead and change the vertical size above or below. So you can go ahead now and play with these settings to fit your desire for your picture. After you finish, you can go ahead and use your picture. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helped. Be sure to like and subscribe.